Are you feeling the pressure of increasing revenue with a sales team that's already on the brink of burnout? My sales pipeline is looking more like a pipe dream. What if there was a surefire way to train AI sales agents to naturally engage new leads and support your customers around the clock? Vengo AI helps you train and deploy custom AI agents to capture new leads, drive engagement, and boost revenue 24/7. Vengo AI naturally engages site visitors in conversation, adding high-quality sales leads to your pipeline. Reflect your brand voice, personality, and style for a cohesive customer experience. Use just one line of code to integrate the AI chat widget into your website. Uncover critical insights by tracking data on customer behavior, engagement patterns, and sales funnel performance. Add loads of high-value sales leads to your pipeline by engaging them with AI agents. You can train new AI agents and quickly get them up to speed using your content, products, services, and business information. Guide prospects through your sales funnel, handle inquiries, and guarantee 5-star customer support. No coding skills? Good thing Vengo AI lets you fully deploy your AI agents in minutes with one line of code, compatible with WordPress, Wix, custom HTML, and any other major platform. Best of all, Vengo AI collects data on customer behavior and engagement patterns to help optimize your sales funnel for higher conversions. Track metrics like total clients, sales leads, average chat time, and total chat messages from one dashboard. View conversation summaries and export customer data, including names, emails, and phone numbers. Simplify follow-ups, close more deals, and drive revenue growth with all your client info accessible in one place. Whether it's driving more subscriptions, cross-selling products, or scaling client acquisition, Vengo AI automates the entire process for you. Ramp up your sales with AI agents. Get lifetime access to Vengo AI today.